Just a quick little visit to the Simon Heller Park. There's a couple of shelters sitting over there, and there's one over here. That's the boat ramp into the river. Picnic table. So I've seen deer down in through there. Stone. That's cool. The old tool factory. Trail goes all around that way. Loops back around to the parking lot. There's a grassy field over on that side where I've seen a number of does over there. This is a trail that this is an additional trail that they're putting up around. Mr. John Resch is doing this back through here. He's doing a great job. back in this area here and down over there where I usually see the bucks. Well, I saw one last fall. Biggest one I've ever seen over here. The only time I've ever seen it too was that once. There's a smaller buck I've seen a few times back here. It's been like a 6-pointer. But this is the latest addition to the trail they've been working on. Oh, it's got a lot more cleared out since the last time I was down through here. Because down over there, and I assume it's going to turn over to the left, because Mr. Resch has said he wants to have a trail over to this pond. He wants to have a trail over to this pond over here. The locals call it the Clow Hole. I really don't know where that name comes from. But they want to stock it and use it for a fishing pond, which would be a great idea. There is fish in here. Last summer I brought some fishing stuff down here, cast it around for a little bit. Oh, I think I missed it. A crane flew out from the bank. It's going over to the other side. But I caught a couple of small bass in here. Eventually this is going to be a nice place in here. A few young buckeye trees growing around in here. Eventually this is going to be a really, really nice trail. Looks like they've cut it up the hill too some. But eventually this is going to be a really nice trail. Something that the area can get use out of and be something to be proud of. I'm going to cut this off for now, and we'll make another trip back through here soon. Thank you for watching.